Here is Rabia, and she needs to drink because we walked without rest.
She's kaput, totally a wreck.
And now we are on the first spot where we just have to go for another hour to reach the very top of Spalavera. So we are just close by. Spalavera is just behind here.
After 3 hours of hiking. Glad to be a tour adventure guide. We're the only ones here. Oh, look at this! Snow is flying, it's so windy. Now we're going to have a bit of a snack. Here is Montezeda. (2,150 meters high. Look how windy it is up here. You can see the snow flying. Snow is, oh, it's like being in the tundra. It's cold up here. Oh, there's the view. Beautiful.
Now on the 26th of January,
Celebration.
Of Montes Spalavera. We covered 800 meter. Fantastic. The fantastic juice of lemon and our own sage honey. Cheers.
Cheers. This shows the direction. We came from this direction, through those forests. It was some climb, and it was very steep. I was not able to take any videos because I had to be careful. The snow is steep here. I had to be careful. It really is deep snow. See how deep it is. Oh my goodness, I'm gonna sink.
So now we are on the way back, and what a surprise. The moon is up on this side, and we are way back. It took us only 1 hour to come back from this peak. We were crossing on the side, but behind that peak is the Spalavera where we went. And here, see, beautiful evening light. Here the snow is more like harsh, it's frozen. On top it was raining here, I suppose. And here is the sun almost going behind. And here is Rabia.
Hello, I survived. Survived.
She had doubts when it was very steep, but Rabia made it.
Yeah.
Yeah, now it's, I think in 20 minutes we are down.
Good timing.
Now we are down and we put our snowshoes off. Wonderful creek with fresh mountain spring water. Swabia resting her feet and putting off her shoes. And behind there is a prayer. Everything went well. Here is the late afternoon going into evening light. And we are back where we started from.
It's 4:30. We're back 2 hours earlier than last time.
Yeah, we came back actually from the peak in 1.5 hours, and it's about 800 meter height difference from here to the peak.